Well, the COVID-19 virus impacting the annual Bahamas Medical Association's annual conference, the event, which was scheduled for March 18th, has now been postponed. Bahamas Medical Association President Dr. Marcus Cooper and Vice President Dr. Lauren Charles join us live in studio tonight with more details. Good evening, doctors.
Good evening.
Well, first of all, Dr. Cooper, provide us with some specifics on why the conference was postponed.
Well, we were in the final stages of planning the 48th annual medical conference, scientific medical conference of the Medical Association of the Bahamas. And we were scheduled to have over 300, possibly 400 local healthcare providers, as well as international speakers and supporters. And we thought it prudent that we probably should not have so many of the country's healthcare providers in one particular place at the same time. We know that there are no suspected or confirmed cases of coronavirus or COVID-19 in the Bahamas, but in the unlikely event that one of our attendees were to be diagnosed or found to be positive for COVID-19 in the future, it could severely compromise the country's ability to provide care in a crisis situation. So we decided to postpone it until further notice.
Well, Dr. Charles, now that the conference has been postponed, and Dr. Cooper noted that there are domestic and international delegates already registered, were they excited to come to the Bahamas?
Yes, we had at least 12 foreign delegates that were slated to come. The theme of the conference was Rebuild, Restore, Renew. So it was actually shaped to address Dorian and the response to Dorian and the aftermath. And most of the delegates, the foreign delegates who were slated to come, actually were restricted from travel from their respective countries. And as a result, it was really a circumstance beyond our control, and that was one of the bases why we had to postpone. We will, however, honor all of the dues that were paid by the registrants who registered thus far, and we anticipate holding the conference in the future, perhaps next year.
And that was going to be my next question for Dr. Cooper. Since the conference will take place, when will the conference take place again, and how many delegates, or will the same delegates who registered for this year attend the next conference?
Well, we certainly hope so. We hope that by the time we decide to hold the conference early next year, that the whole the concerns surrounding COVID-19 have subsided. We're thinking about possibly early March of next year, similar to where we were planning on holding it this year. We were expecting some 300 to 400 local healthcare providers, physicians, nurses, and people in the healthcare industry to participate in this year's conference. And we would expect them all to be there next year as well. And we're hoping that our international sponsors and our international partners will also decide that they will join us. We have quite a number of speakers from the US and Canada and the United Kingdom who we hope will join us next year for the conference.
Thank you, gentlemen. Once again, the Bahamas Medical Association's conference has been postponed until next year, March. Thanks again, gentlemen, for joining us live on the Bahamas tonight.
Thank you.
Thank you.